Hello, entrepreneurs. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that can revolutionize your small business's profitability: customer lifetime value, or CLV. Buckle up, because this is some good stuff. So, what exactly is customer lifetime value, and why should you care? Imagine it as your business's crystal ball, revealing the future financial worth of each customer to your company. CLV helps you understand how much revenue you can expect from a customer throughout their entire relationship with your business. It's not just about one-time purchases, but it's about the long-term value each customer brings. Calculating CLV involves a simple formula: average purchase value multiplied by the average purchase frequency, multiplied again by the average customer lifespan. Let's break it down. Average purchase value is the average amount a customer spends per transaction. Purchase frequency is how often they buy from you, and the average customer lifespan is how long they remain your customer. Now, here's the exciting part. Increasing CLV can skyrocket your profits without acquiring more customers. Let me explain. When you raise any of the three components of CLV, purchase value, frequency, or lifespan, you create a compounding effect on your profits. Small improvements here can lead to significant increases in your bottom line. So, how can you boost CLV? Here are some strategies to consider. First, focus on customer retention. Loyal customers tend to spend more, so nurture those relationships. Next, upsell, cross-sell, and even down-sell products or services to increase the average purchase value. Remember, upselling is offering higher-priced with more perceived value products or services to your customer. An example is when a customer picks a certain type of wine, and they are offered some more expensive options that are older and have a higher positive rating instead. Cross-selling is a lot like "would you like some fries with that?" An example of cross-selling is when someone wants to buy a shirt and the salesperson offers them a tie or necklace. Down-selling is when a customer doesn't find value in an item at a certain price but is offered a lower-priced similar item instead. Another example of downselling happens frequently in e-commerce, and that's when a widget is offered for, say, $25, but the customer thinks it's too high and they try to navigate away until they're hit with a pop-up: "Wait. If you will buy right now, we'll drop our price to $15 each or two for $20. And don't forget about outstanding customer service. Happy customers stay longer and spend more. To put it all into perspective, let me share a real-world example. Meet Sarah, a coffee shop owner. By improving her customer service and introducing a loyalty program, she increased her customers' average lifespan with her business. This simple change not only delighted her regulars but also significantly boosted her profits. In conclusion, understanding and maximizing customer lifetime value can be very profitable for your small business. It's not just about acquiring customers, it's about cultivating relationships that lead to long-term profitability. If you found this information valuable, please like, subscribe, and share this video. And remember, when it comes to your business, think long-term, and think CLV. Until next time, keep raising your profit.